Welcome to Prepared Feedback Part 2. Now we want to load a feedback. How do we do this? Click on Add Smart Sentence. Remember, under Design Sentences, we created a section, and under that section, we created sentences. Now we need to look for that section. Click on the down arrow key. Look for the section you want, which mine was Hello and Goodbye, and click on it. As you can see below, all the sentences we created are featured here. To prepare your feedback, just click on the sentence you want, make sure it is highlighted, and click Add to Feedback. On the right-hand side, you can automatically see your feedback is forming. To add a new line, just click on Add New Paragraph. Then keep adding sentences you want. You can see how quick and easy it is. Please take note of the following. When we typed in hello, #student hello, Eezi Feedback has pulled through the student's name that we're doing a feedback on. So now there is no variable there, as in #student #. It's now the student's name. The same goes for the module number, the study unit name, and the keywords. You can click through all the sections and add as you need. Under sections, I have activities, compliments, goodbye, grammar, sentence pronunciation, keywords new, keywords review, story. So you can click through them and add as needed. It is as you can see that your current feedback is forming on the right-hand side. Very, very, very quick and easy to use. Now I want to add a text. This is where you add additional unique sentences that you will not use again. At Eezi Feedback, we highly recommend that you use this in conjunction with your smart sentences. So all you need to do is click Add Text and type in your unique sentence. Thank you for singing for me today in class. You have a beautiful voice. Add to feedback, and you can see it is automatically on the right-hand side in your current feedback. Now, when we type the sentence using masculine words, remember in design sentences, we created sentences and we use the word he. Now we need it to say not he, but she. Let's go back to Add Smart Sentence. Go back to hello and goodbye. And you can see here, instead of #student, #mom, it says Tina. And as you can see, where we wrote he did so well today, it now says she did so well today. So Eezi Feedback has automatically changed it because you chose the gender of your student and added to your feedback. Now you say you are done and you're happy with everything. So you click on Next Step and click OK. But as you look through and you read your current feedback, which is posted over here, you realize you did not say goodbye to your student. So you go back to Edit Response. You can either use the section or you can just click on Edit Feedback, click in the box and type what you need and say Done Editing. Go to Next Step, click OK. You're now happy with your feedback. You have said your goodbyes. Remember, when you click done and back to menu, your feedback will be saved on a clip file for you, so it can be pasted anywhere that you wish to paste it to. Thank you, Eezi Feedback, making feedback easy.